Action.
Hello everyone, today I'm going to be making sour cream chicken enchiladas. We're going to have some rotisserie chicken, which I already cut up in pieces, sour cream, and then we're going to have some of this tomato bouillon, salt and pepper, corn oil, or whatever type of oil you like, corn tortillas, and then I have some tomatillos and some serrano peppers. So you have to remove the shell or the husk, and that's it. These are all the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. First, I'm going to begin by boiling the tomatillos and the serrano peppers with water. So I'm going to put this in here first. Put some water in here. And let this cook down until you see that they turn, until they start turning like brownish. And I will show you when they're ready. All right, what I forgot to mention is that we're gonna need some mozzarella cheese also. So this is the way it's supposed to look like after they're cooked. Some of them opened up. And I'm gonna put them in the blender along with the sour cream and a teaspoon of tomato bouillon. I'm gonna blend that all together. And then we're gonna be ready to assemble the enchilada, microwave enchilada. What I forgot to mention is that I did not add no liquid. I just added the tomatillo, and then I blended it all together. I put the whole entire sour cream in here and no water. And then I added the tablespoon of this tomato bouillon. And now we're gonna get ready to assemble the microwave sour cream and chicken enchilada. Alrighty, so now I already have the chicken here, and I'm gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper. And then I'm gonna mix it all up. Make sure everything is coated with the salt and pepper to give it more flavor. Okay. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover these again brush them with oil, corn oil. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cover them on both sides. Okay, and then I'm gonna cut it in half. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a little bit of this. Alright, so let me put the tortilla here. And we're going to, again, assemble them. I'm going to put some chicken here. Make a layer of the chicken, make it nice. And then I'm going to get some cheese. And then I'm going to continue this until I go all the way to the top of the pan. So now this is all assembled, and I'm going to put it inside a paper bag. And I'm going to use 2 paper bags because I need to make sure that this doesn't come apart when I put it in the microwave for 10 minutes. So now I'm going to put this in the microwave for 10 minutes. Alright, there you have it, folks. Here is our microwave sour cream and chicken green sauce enchilada. It smells so good. And don't forget to like and subscribe and wait for my next video. Thanks, bye.